Closed-toed shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed the needle, you have just changed or adjusted the presser foot, once you have made the first few stitches and are certain the needle, presser foot are all seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. The Juki MO6804S is a 3-thread overlock machine, often known as a serger, which creates a purl stitched edge. This is a fine, decorative edge on woven or knit fabric, especially for scarves and things. This machine has many of the same parts as the 4-thread overlock machines. Thread stand, tension dials, needle and blade, and loopers to create the overlock stitch. To lift the presser foot, you press a foot pedal, and this pedal controls the speed. There is also a thread chute, which we tie a trash bag to the end of to catch the trimmings as they are cut off. When you reach the edge of the seam, continue stitching so that there is always a thread tail left to help start the next seam. Before you change anything on the machine, make sure to turn it off. To get inside the machine, first turn the lever on the underside of the table. Then, lift the table arm. Lift the safety guard and then lift the lever in the back so that you can swing the presser foot arm free. Press the lever at the front to move aside the machine casing. Then slide the front casing door to the right and pull it towards you. The blades trimming the edges can create a lot of lint, so make sure to clean it out. Be careful, there's a wick inside next to the blade that helps deliver machine oil to the parts that need it. Do not remove it when you are cleaning out the lint. On the inside of the casing door, there is a color-coded threading diagram. This should help you remember what goes where, but just in case, here is a video version of what it looks like. When changing your thread, don't pull out the threads, just snip the old thread near the thread cone, tie the new thread together with the old in a square knot, and pull the thread through until you get to the needle. When threading, always start with the rightmost thread, then move left. Done, make sure to test stitch on a scrap of fabric to make sure that everything is looking good.